Hi, it's me, Balasandar Chandru, Customer Success and Training Specialist from Opera Learning Global. In this video, I'm going to show or talk about course setup appearance. Basically, your course look and feel, the design of it. All right, so let's go back to my screen here. So as you can see in the screen, I'm going to use this course called Chandru Demo course for this explanation. To access your course setup appearance, just click course setup and click appearance. So as you can see in this page, we have a couple of settings. Number one, course style and design. Number two, theme setting. And number three, course navigation. Okay, let's start with the course style and design. So under the course style design, you can change your course thumbnail and as well as your course banner. Okay, to change the course thumbnail, it's very simple. You just need to have upload one image that really represent your topics. So where this course thumbnail normally appear? It will appear when you feature your course, after you feature your course in your own institution portal or in our Open Learning Marketplace. As you can see, I can show one example here. So this is a couple of courses that already feature in our Open Learning Marketplace, and the course thumbnail is this image. Okay, the one that I'm showing in my screen. So all these images you can change here in the course thumbnail. To change the image is very simple. Just click this delete icon first and upload your own image. You only need to make sure that the image follow this size, which is 600 times 400 pixel. Okay. After you change the course thumbnail, you also can change your course banner. So the course banner is the one that normally appear in the top. By default is of course empty, but if you want to create your own custom banner using the third-party tool like Canva, you can create that first, download it, and upload the banner here. For the size, we suggest to follow this size, which is 2340 times 340 pixels. Okay, so beside that, we also have a small setting like if you want to link half of your course banner to institution homepage, you can take this or show the course name on the banner. You also can take if you want to. But this one you can please untake if you decide to use your own custom banner, which you created using third-party tool. All right, so I'm going to give you some time for you to upload your own course thumbnail as well as your own course banner. Pause this video and try to do this both. The floor is yours. How that went? I hope all is good. Okay, let's continue with our explanation here. So next, I'm going to show you the theme setting. So here you can change your course color, so as well as your theme color. Okay, just click the button that I'm showing here. And then you can pretty much change your theme color like this, or you can move around like this, or you can simply change the color by using the X code. Either way is fine. Besides that, you also can change the background color. So just click this and then you can see the changes happening immediately. All right. Beside the background color, you also can upload your own background image for your course. You just need to do it so here. And after you upload your background image, make sure how you want the background to be shown. Is it you want the image to repeat or not repeat? Choose it here. So I want you to try this at your home before we go to the next setting. So please pause this video and try to change course theme color as well as your course background color. The floor is yours. How that went? All good? Okay, can you able to change your course theme color? All right, so let's move on. So next, I'm going to show you a little bit about course navigation. Here, you can set it up your course left tab navigation. As you can see here, this is by default, this is what you will see in your newly created course. We'll have a home, announcement, learning activities, course suite, group, and gallery. Everything that you probably also already see here. All right. So this one, you can change the order. Okay, let's say you want to change the order, you can just drag it like this. you want to change the name or want to different language and everything, just click this pencil icon to change its name. You want to delete this page, you can delete X, or better, you can even hide this page by dragging and putting in this additional pages tab. Okay, so when you do that, you can see the gallery is already missing from this section. And if you want it back, you just need to drop and put it back, like the one I'm showing here. So I want you to try this at your home. Pause this video and go check your course navigation and order it, okay, based on your own preference, and also remove the one you don't want or add the one you only want it. Okay, so the floor is yours. All right, how that went? All good? Okay, so let's say you have any issue in the future or want to ask questions, you can always come back to our Open Learning Help community page, go through our help articles here, or you can email us or call us or even chat with us if you have if you need any further assistance. Okay, that's it. That's all for this video. Until next time, bye.